Good morning, everyone. This is Stevie, and I am here on my way to Ronald McNair Middle School to learn about some ELA standards that are going to be rolled out this year for the 2025-2026 school year. So join me today as we go learn and grow. It's a nice school.
And then you might just do some self-reflection. This is the only domain where we have a really robust definition.
All right, I'm done with the training and I'm going home. It is 2:37 and I learned a lot. But look at this sign right here. It says whether or not you reach your goals in life depends entirely on how well you prepare for them and how badly you want them. Ronald McNair. Oh, I just realized that is the guy who went up in the spaceship that blew up. Oh my God, I just realized that. I've been teaching that with my kids and I didn't even put two and two with the name. But anyway, that's what we did today. It was a really great training and I'm ready to go home. I'll see y'all later. Good morning. It is June 10th. It is the second day to the ELA Summer Series Deeper Dive, where we are going into the domains and we're understanding how to implement strategies in the classroom. And it's a really great program and it really got me excited about just different things that I know about. And also they have a reading endorsement that I'm thinking about doing. So I'm really grateful for the opportunity and let's go, day 2. As we do. This is a really big school. It's really nice too. Look at this. Wow, this looks like a high school. So it is now 2:34 and I have finished the training and now I am ready to go home. It is a 2-day training that, well, 4 days, but they put into 2 and I learned a lot. So I'm excited to implement these standards into the classroom and see high growth. I'll see you guys. Bye.